There are a few names in the automotive landscape that, when heard, evoke images of rock crawling through a mountain pass or plowing through virgin snow, and the 4Runner is one of them. This is the fifth generation of Toyota's Go Anywhere SUV, which dates back to 1984. And this one is a beauty, with all kinds of new electronic features and a sumptuous ride that belies its body-on-frame ruggedness. This here is the off-road precision tool of the bunch, the 4Runner Trail 4x4, available only with the V6 with a starting price of $36,500. And Toyota takes the trail name seriously, fitting this model with a host of trailblazing goodies, including off-road specific 17-inch wheels and tires, water-resistant seating materials, and the Land Rover-esque multi-terrain select with active traction control and crawl control. These settings are performed via rotary knobs on the overhead console and automate vehicle settings based on what lies beneath your tires. Rocks, sand, snow, moguls, you name it, just turn it on as needed and dial in your obstacles from light to heavy, and the guesswork of which switches to flip and which levers to pull are orchestrated for you. The screen here will prompt you when it comes time to do your part, and off you go. Does it work? You bet. Concocting my own formula for traversing this snowy trail with an undercoating of ice resulted in getting the 4Runner momentarily stuck. It's a bit overwhelming at first for the driver. There are so many interactive elements to the 4Runner's driving modes, and it's important to understand what A-Track, the electronic locking rear differential, and the various four-wheel drive modes are designed to do. But once I used multi-terrain to call the shots, the mechanicals and electronics played in harmony and excavated us from the deep stuff. The Trail Grade is designed to maximize off-road performance with superior approach and departure angles and 9.6 inches of ground clearance. You can spot one on the road by its unique hood scoop. Another new feature to the 4Runner, which has trickled down from the mighty Land Cruiser, is the Kinetic Dynamic Suspension. It's a $1,750 option on the Trail model and works by disconnecting the stabilizer bars for better axle travel over uneven terrain. And it does more than an adequate job on the tarmac as well, where I was pleasantly surprised by how smooth and agile this 4Runner is. This is the ace in the hole, so to speak, for this traditional SUV, as it steers, turns, and rides like a car-based crossover, actually even better in most cases. The 4Runner shows its utility side quite nicely inside as well, with a nifty cargo slider and fold-flat rear seats. Every position is roomy and comfortable, and conveniences are plenty, like my favorite, the Bluetooth streaming audio, part of my Tester's $2,420 upgraded Navi stereo unit. Total price as seen here is a lofty $40,874, but in a way, it's kind of like a poor man's Land Rover LR4 with a lot less weight to haul around and better mileage. Rated at an impressive 17 mpg city and 22 highway from the 270 horsepower 4-liter V6.